Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This video is all about one of the most exciting announcement for me from Cisco Live 2026, which took place recently in Las Vegas, was about Cisco Cloud Control. But to be honest, what caught my attention was not another management platform or another controller. What really excited me was the vision behind it. After watching the keynote from Jeetu Patel and the live demonstration by DJ Sampath, I felt that we may be witnessing the beginning of a new era in IT operations, an era where AI doesn't just assist engineers but actively participate in operating and troubleshooting infrastructure. And that's what I would like to share with you all today. Let's be honest. Today, IT environment are becoming increasingly complex, more complex. Organizations are managing multiple campus networks, data center, security platform, collaboration tools, cloud environment, and now AI infrastructure. As engineers, we have become adapted to switching between multiple dashboards, multiple tools, multiple alerts, and countless logs, right? The challenge today is not deploying the technology. The challenge is managing complexity. And I believe that is exactly the problem Cisco is trying to solve with cloud control. What impressed me most was that Cisco is not positioning cloud control as just another controller. Instead, they're positioning it as an AI native platform, a platform that combines networking, security, observability, collaboration, and infrastructure management in a single operational experience. And that brings me to my biggest takeaways. The first thing that stood out was the user experience. For decades, network engineers have learned CLI, command line interface, right? Then we moved on to GUI. Now we are entering into a world where interface itself become conversation. During the demonstration, users could simply ask questions in natural language instead of navigating menus and remembering so many commands. They could describe the issue they wanted to investigate. It is as simple as that. In many ways, the experience felt more like ChatGPT or Gemini than a traditional network management platform. And I believe that's a significant shift. The second thing that impressed me was AI driven troubleshooting. Traditionally, when an issue occurs, engineers collect information from multiple sources. We look at logs, we check dashboards, we review alerts, we analyze topology maps, and then we try to correlate everything manually. What Cisco demonstrated was a completely different approach this time. The platform can investigate across multiple domains and correlate information automatically. The goal is not just finding data faster, the goal is helping engineers identify root cause faster. One of my favorite part was live visualization aspect. Like, imagine trying to understand a large enterprise network. Traditionally, creating and managing topology requires significant effort, right? Even today also. With cloud control, Cisco demonstrated how AI can help build context automatically and visually, represent relationship across the infrastructure. Instead of spending hours understanding what is connected to what, engineers can now focus on solving actual problem. One of my most exciting part I would also like to bring here is, for the couple of years we have been talking about Gen AI that can answer question, AI that can create content, AI that can summarize information. But agentic AI takes things a step further now. It can understand goals, plan actions, execute workflows, and deliver outcomes, right? What Cisco is showing with cloud control is the possibility of bringing agentic AI in the real IT operations. The platform doesn't just provide information, it helps investigate, analyze, correlate, and recommend actions as also. And in the future, I believe we will see more capabilities where AI agents help perform operational tasks in many more ways. One demonstration that really caught my attention was the DJ Sampath showed how issue could be investigated simply through running a natural prompt. language prompt, right? The important part was the important part was not the specific issue. The important part was what happened behind the scene. The platform automatically gathered information from multiple domains. It analyzed dependencies, it understood context, it correlated telemetry, and then it represent the findings in a way that was easy to understand. That is very different from how troubleshooting has traditionally been performed, right? Another message that strongly resonated with me was something Jeetu Patel emphasized repeatedly. He spoke about a simplicity without losing sophistication. And I think that exactly what IT teams needed today. Organizations don't need more dashboard, they don't need more complexity. They need platform that simplify operations with enterprise grade capabilities. And that appears to be the direction Cisco is heading with cloud control today. For customer, the value is very clear: faster troubleshooting, better visibility, and simplified operations. Improved user experience also, and potentially faster issue resolution. For partners, organizations, this equally exciting because platform like this can help accelerate adoption, improve operational maturity, and allow teams to focus more on outcomes rather than repetitive operational tasks, right? For decades, engineers have learned how to understand the network. What Cisco Cloud Control shows us is a future where the network can also understand the engineer. And that's what makes Agentic AI so exciting. It is also because it helps people operate at a completely different scale. I'm excited to see how this technology evolves and how organizations leverage it to uh, transform IT operations. Thank you for watching, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much.